After buying about a dozen Teslas for the past 6 years, we finally bought something else. A Jeep Wrangler. Let's talk about it. Reason number one. So we got a 4xe instead of getting normal whole gas car. And although this is not the Magneto 2.0 concept car, which is full electric, coming from a Tesla and a full electric car, I really want to limit my time that I go to gas stations, to be honest. So this is not the most aerodynamic car that you see in today's market. This is literally a Lego box. And it doesn't do that well, right? So it's a very, very low efficient car. And it's built, in that regard for fun and adventures and stuff like that. So I wanted to get a 4xe. And I don't know, a lot of people don't like it, but I'll find out if I like it or not, I guess, while I drive this. But this definitely has way better mileage because it does have a very, very small battery in the back seat of the Jeep. And it has about 800 more pounds extra because of the battery, which actually keeps it a little bit more stable and similar to driving an electric car. And not only that, it actually goes back and forth. It is a hybrid. There's about 20-some miles on it. I know it's not a lot, but to be honest, I might be able to go fully electric back and forth work and home because I don't live that far from work. So for me, that was perfect. I have a charger right here at work. I can literally come to work, charge it, and then basically go home. And then I also have a charger at home. So it was a really good fit for me to get this version rather than a gas car. Reason number two, I can do this. But all jokes aside, this is definitely a lifestyle car, and it's a really fun vehicle. You can go off-roading. We did get the Sportus package, but it did have a lot of different add-ons to this car. So you can go off-roading. It's a lot of fun. And yes, you can go off-roading in other cars, but this is definitely meant for that. And not only that, it was so easy. It literally took me like 5 minutes to remove this top and the whole back. And if it's a good Chattanooga day, which often it is actually quite good weather, this would be the perfect vehicle to go around mountains, go down the Lookout Mountain and go up the Lookout Mountain and back and forth. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to have a lot of adventures with my kiddos and my family and our team members in this. So this is kind of the big reason why we got that. Reason number three. So we've built a community around Tesla owners. And part of that is because I got a Tesla in 2018 and I didn't know I was going to start a business actually. But what we realized is we were really passionate about helping not just Tesla owners, but really the DIY community to be able to customize, protect, and maintain their car through vinyl and PPF. And we realized we're really good at that. And so we've been working on the Tesla and we've been designing kits, PPF kits, full color kits. And then we realized when we did a survey with a lot of our customers that actually had Teslas, the other car that they own was actually a Jeep Wrangler and a Jeep in general. So that's when we started looking into it and we wanted to kind of start servicing other automakes other than a Tesla as well. I mean, at the end of the day, we really want to help everybody to be able to do customization, protection, and all that, and have that DIY availability for them. So if you look at this car, this is the most customizable car in the world. I mean, when people look at this, you get the wildest stuff. People wrap their hinges, people wrap their hoods. They typically have something that goes over here. I mean, it's a perfect canvas for our business. So if you look at this, I think a lot of people put stuff like this, a vinyl decal. Some of the other ones have that. I mean, this is an off-road vehicle. And a lot of people, they call it like, they might be taking it, they might not be going off-road, right? However, they do want to keep it clean, they want to protect it, and they occasionally might go off-roading. And PPF is a prime reason for this as well. So we are going to be coming out with a bunch of PPF kits. You can see right here, this is straight from factory. They did start putting PPF, mainly because the rocks kind of sling into this little area, especially if it's painted. I know some of them aren't going to be painted, but ours is white on both. So we definitely want to do that. And this is embarrassing. Like, I feel like it should be, at least if they're going to do it like all the way around. So we are going to come out with a replacement for that as well, where we're going to go all the way around and a lot more coverage. A couple other things too is this is a white, and we really wanted a light color, like whether it's going to be silver or white, because this is an absolute beautiful canvas for us to put mountains or put stripes or to go retro. And there's just so many things that we can do, and we're absolutely excited about it. And secretly, we've been working on the Jeep for a long time, actually, for several months, and we already have a lot of stuff ready for you guys. So we just can't wait to serve this community and continue to expand and really expand their mission of helping other DIYers be able to customize, protect, and maintain. So that is the main reason and an important reason, but we're hoping that we can serve 2 communities now and continue to expand that in the DIY network. So I'm going to be driving this, trying to learn this a little bit more. We've been learning about this car and the community, asking a lot of customers. Some customers might know that we're already working on this, but we really appreciate all the support we've gotten till now. We're hoping that we get continued support as we continue to expand our line. So let's go Jeep.